Okay, I've had to figure out fantastic camera skills, what to do when you've built a house like this one, which we've almost finished, and guess what? There is one brick at the front of the house that is chipped. So, like, it's holding up the house. So it is 2 bricks above my hand. I hope you can see it, okay? And it's just got a chip right in the middle. So I've never had that experience before, but funnily enough, because it's property, there's a solution. And the solution is you can get a brick matching service. You can get a great builder to chip out that brick, match the well, I'm going to call it grout, but really match the grout and it's not render. I'm having a brainwave. Anyway, match the filling in stuff, which I'm going to call grout. That's my technical skills, and then put the brick back in, because we're a bit flummoxed. We've got this house under offer. It's been sold, not quite off plan, but it's been sold before it's been finished. We're just going around doing the snagging, and Murphy's Law, there's a brick, it's about, can you see I'm too small, I'm only 5'2". There's a brick that's chipped, and obviously the buyer wants a perfect bricked house. So, brick matching services, job sorted. And it just is a lesson, isn't it? There is always a solution. Things can be frustrating at times, but there's always a solution in property. See you soon, bye.